Hello and welcome to one and only Prabha. Have bought a brand new mixie, Preethi Zodiac 2.0. Wow! So I had a Preethi blue leaf which had some wiring problem. Now I got a brand new one. So this was costing box price around 13,000, right?
17,000. 17,375.
17,375 box price. So we got it in Reliance Digital for Independence Day offer. We got in a better rate. So let me unbox this and show it to you. So main purpose of getting this was this had a blue color and my son wanted me to get a blue color mixie.
Yes, he liked blue very much.
We saw Preethi Cosmos also. Cosmos was not there with this blue color. So we went for this mixie particularly for this blue color in the front. Let me show it to you now. So this is the main mixie. If you see
motor.
Mixing machine. If you see this, it's in blue color, which is looking very beautiful. And moreover, when we power it on, we will see a blue light here. So my son is very happy with this mixie, as if he is going to grind it. Next we have is the chutney, coconut chutney or tomato chutney container, which is written clearly over here for any kind of chutney,
coconut chutney, tomato chutney,
all that. This is for the batter. This normally you get in all the mixies. So it is for batter and puree. In case of dosa batter or ada batter, whatever you wanted to prepare in this, and puree like for sabji, if you are grinding the stuff, you can use it for using this. This is normally which we get in other stuff. What is special about over here is there is a food processor. Wow. So this is a bigger unit in this. Let me show it to you. Okay, so this is the food processor. We can use this for cutting and slicing stuff for making french fries, chips or something, vegetables. And also you can knead atta. These days, you know, in grinder also they are giving atta kneading. Now it has come in the mixie also. I haven't tried kneading the atta. I will let you know if it is coming out very good. So there is a system over here, locking system. Just open it like this and take it out. So here we have to put the vegetables over this way and close it. So let me explain. This is the main unit because these two, as we all normally know, is for chutney. Let me show this to you. These are the three types of slicers. So if you see here, there is one like this, one like this, and another one is for carrot grating. Turvar. Okay. So how to fix this? They have given this over here. You have to be very careful because
it's a
new one. So you have to keep it in a slanting way, put the circle inside that and just press it. Okay, so this is for cutting, slice cutting purpose. Okay.
And just three pull this and
remove. Yeah, this is for coconut grating, carrot grating for, what is that? Raita, all that you can use the grating purpose.
Just to this, you remove like this.
Okay.
Another one is there. Just put like this.
Keep it in a slanting position.
Slanting position. See?
Put it
Then
into the circle.
press it.
Press it. Okay. Cool. So next is the juice, to prepare juice. Okay. So we have it like this.
Rose milk.
Rose milk.
Yes.
You see here, this is the place where you have to put, like, I am trying to do a chocolate milkshake. You have to put the chocolate ice cream, sugar and the milk over here and just close it. This is the upper part so that the juice doesn't come out. Close it like this. So what here is, like, you would have seen in all the juice shops. It will take all the sediments and once you remove this, only the juice will drop via the hole. So if you want it for easier purpose, they have also given this. Once you remove that, if you put this from the mixie, if it has to flow, you have to just keep it like this. Via this, the juice flows. You have to lock it like this. You have to keep a container here. It is in the long way, so it will not fall on the mixie. Keep a container here and it will just flow the milkshake over here.
Glass also.
Yeah. This is for tightening. Like, now we are putting the milk and everything. It should not flow outside, no? So they have given like this.
Close it.
Yeah, it's a suction types. Once you close this, the milk will not come out. You can use it. It is not only for milkshake. You can put orange, anything without seeds. Like, in the Kamala orange, you can take out the seeds and then put it inside. The normal cutting orange, the seeds also will get mixed, that you cannot use it. So this is for the juicer. Also, along with this, they have given for normal orange juice, which we do it, no? For kids. Like this. Keep it like this.
Oh. Okay.
This will get
Very nice.
So this is the complete box piece which we have. They have given few extra blades. If you see here, they have given an extra blade for the mixing.
Nice.
Now these are used for the cutting and slicing. Let me explain it to you. Okay. What are the options what we have in this mixie is, we have batter. So what the shopkeeper is saying is, once you switch on the batter, just switch it on over here and switch on the batter, it will automatically mix it to the batter consistency. We need not do anything. We have to just put the what is that? Batter, rice and this thing inside and put it in batter. It will completely do it till it becomes a batter, like how you do it in the grinder. We need not switch it off, on, off, not
rice, we put the rice.
This is for chutney. For chutney consistency, just you have to put coconut chutney, put it in the coconut chutney. Just put it on. That's all. Nothing else. You need not do 1, 2, 3. In which speed it has to run, it is automatically taking it.
That's a butter only.
That is a butter. That's coconut chutney butter. Then you need not make 2, 3.
Okay.
How we do it in the regular mix. And this is for pause and resume. Previously, what we used to do, we used to switch off the mixie and then pour the water and on it. No. Here you have to just pause and then pour the water and resume it. There is no need to switch it off again and again. This is atta kneading. This we have to try. If it is in a mixie, it is actually faster than using it in the grinder. So let us try the atta kneading. And this is for the puree. This is what is the complete button about. Here it comes with a blue light. Now about this food processing unit. So if you see here, there is a blade over here. Okay. First you have to connect this blade over here. You have to lock it. And then you have to put this. Inside this.
It's a different mixie.
Yeah, inside this you have this blade is important for cutting vegetables. Inside it should get cut now. So you have to put this. And then close it. No, sorry, this one. So now if you see, I have fixed this and this one, and I have put one blade over here which will chop it into pieces. So here I have put this, I will remove this one, cut it into small onions and put it over here, and it will give it into a normal, how you do it for deep fry. So this is the main food processing unit about the mixie which I wanted to show. In this, as I showed, this is for milkshake. They have also given another
Cap.
just lock it like this, and you can also use it like this if you don't want to use multiple types like this. These are the extra blades for different types of chopping, which I am also yet to use. I will use it and let you know. If you need any details of how this is working or how the blades is working, please put it in the comment section. We will explain it to you once we start using it. And also this is the guide which is all the mixing, and then we have to read it across how to fit everything, how to use everything. Everything is given over here. There is also a warranty card. Check. So what do you feel about this mixie, mommy?
Very
How
nice.
is it looking?
I love this mixie. நீ யூஸ் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறமா நான் I want to purchase the same.
Purchase shopping. Have you asked Dad?
Dad will scold me.
Dad will scold you. Where is the warranty card? Which I took it out.
இதுலயே பேக் பேஜ் இருக்கும்ல?
No, the warranty card was given separately because we had to keep sealed. That we purchased it at this point of time. So there is definitely a warranty card. Get it sealed from the shop saying that it's, yeah, this is a warranty card which we got it sealed from the shop, date of purchase, and there is a warranty for everything. Please go through the model and read this thing. There is a lot of, please go through the unboxing videos which we have given in detail. In case of you need anything, put it in the comment box. If you like this video, like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching us.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye.